Did you know that Pluto, once considered a planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet? This celestial body, sitting on the distant fringes of our solar system, has a story that's as fascinating as it is complex. In the year 1930, a young astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh made a discovery that would forever change our understanding of the cosmos. Through the lens of his telescope, he spotted a small icy body, seemingly lost in the depths of space. This was Pluto, a name suggested by an 11-year-old schoolgirl from England, fascinated by the Roman god of the underworld. The world welcomed the 9th planet in our solar system with open arms and a sense of wonderment. But as the decades passed, our insight into the universe expanded, and so did our technology. Telescopes became more powerful. Our knowledge of celestial bodies grew. We began to realize that the cosmos was far more complex and diverse than we had ever imagined. By the dawn of the 21st century, astronomers had discovered numerous other icy objects in the same region as Pluto, known as the Kuiper Belt. Some of these bodies were of comparable size to Pluto, and this posed a question. Were these all planets too? Faced with this conundrum, the International Astronomical Union, the governing body responsible for classifying celestial objects, had a decision to make. They chose to redefine what it means to be a planet. According to the new definition, a planet not only has to orbit the sun and be spherical, but it also has to have cleared its orbit of other debris. Under this new classification, Pluto didn't make the cut. In 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This decision sent ripples through the scientific community and beyond, leading to debates that continue to this day. In 2006, Pluto's status as a planet was challenged, leading to a change that stirred the world of astronomy. This marked a new chapter in Pluto's story, from its discovery to its reclassification, a journey that mirrors our ever-evolving understanding of the universe. Pluto, though small, holds many mysteries that continue to fascinate astronomers. Nestled in the outer reaches of our solar system, this tiny celestial body resides in the Kuiper Belt, a region teeming with icy objects and remnants from the birth of the solar system. It's a far-off frontier, a cosmic Wild West filled with astronomical enigmas that we are only just beginning to explore. Pluto's orbit, unlike those of the 8 planets in our solar system, is highly elliptical. This peculiar path sometimes brings it closer to the Sun than Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun. This orbital switcheroo, a cosmic game of musical chairs, occurs once every 248 Earth years, a testament to the immense scale and time frames on which the universe operates. Let's shrink things down a bit. Pluto is, in fact, smaller than our moon. To give you an idea, if Earth was the size of a nickel, Pluto would be roughly the size of a popcorn kernel. But don't let its diminutive size fool you. Pluto is a heavyweight when it comes to scientific intrigue. One of the most captivating features of Pluto is the existence of white mountains on its surface. Composed of water ice as hard as rock, these mountains tower as high as the Rockies. They seem to glow against Pluto's surface, a stark contrast to the dark reddish-brown plains. These icy peaks are a testament to the unique and complex geological processes at play on this distant dwarf planet. Despite its size, Pluto's unique characteristics make it a fascinating subject of study. It's a reminder that even the smallest celestial bodies can hold vast secrets waiting to be unveiled. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we uncover more about these distant worlds, and in doing so, we learn more about our own place in the universe. Have you ever wondered how long a year on Pluto would be? Now try to imagine living in a world where a single year spans 248 of our Earth years. Imagine the lengthy winters, the protracted springs, the enduring summers, and the prolonged autumns. This is the reality on Pluto, the dwarf planet that orbits the Sun at such a distance that it takes it 248 Earth years to complete a single orbit. That's nearly 2.5 centuries of our time. While we go about our daily lives experiencing the swift passage of days, months, and years, time on Pluto plods along at its own unhurried pace. This stark contrast is a fascinating example of how the perception of time can vary dramatically across different celestial bodies. It's a reminder that our understanding of time is largely dictated by our earthly perspective. But let's take this a step further. If you were born on Pluto, you would be less than a year old by Pluto standards, even if you were a sprightly 248 years old by Earth standards. In the grand scheme of the universe, time takes on different dimensions, and Pluto offers us a glimpse into those dimensions. It's a stark reminder of how vast our universe truly is, and how our concept of time is but a tiny speck in the cosmic scale. A year on Pluto offers a different perspective on time, far beyond our earthly understanding. Pluto may no longer be a planet, but its legacy in the world of astronomy is undeniable. Its reclassification from a full-fledged planet to a dwarf planet in 2006 has paved the way for a deeper understanding of celestial bodies. This monumental decision didn't just relegate Pluto to a new category, but it also prompted us to rethink our definition of a planet. The reclassification introduced us to a fascinating new category of celestial bodies, the dwarf planets. Among these dwarf planets are Eris, Ceres, Makemake and Haumea, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Pluto's reclassification sparked numerous debates and ignited a passion for research about these dwarf planets. It's a testament to our ever-evolving understanding of the universe. It's a reminder that our knowledge of space is not static but constantly changing, adapting, and growing. Pluto's journey has taught us that size and status do not determine significance. Despite being smaller than our moon and lying in the distant Kuiper belt, Pluto has managed to capture our interest and fascinate us with its icy mountains and long years. Pluto's journey from a planet to a dwarf planet has reshaped our understanding of the universe, proving that there is always more to learn in the vast expanse of space.